Hello guys, so what happened on August 29th? Okay, so before that I'll show you a prelims question which came this year, 2023 question, which it's that new type, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair type question. So here you can see 4 awards are given: Dhyan Chand Award, the Khel Ratna Award, and the Arjuna Award, and Dronacharya Award, and the Khel this thing Protsahan Puraskar and all. So this, nobody prepares these things and goes, okay, in our current affair magazines we mention here and there about all these things, but specifically like, okay, let's study all the awards, let's study all the sports tournaments, this and all, nobody prepares and goes. But UPSC at times is doing this, and again question is fine. On top of that, they are putting this 1 pair, 2 pair. That means they are expecting you to know all the 4 awards. If you don't know even one of this, you cannot solve this question. There is no elimination possible here. Okay, so these questions will keep coming. You don't have to get tensed. Okay, you have to practice yourself and make yourself ready that in the exam hall when you go, these kind of 2-3 questions will be there. Okay, sports or some weird reports or anything which is pure GK, which you thought like, how can UPSC ask this? That kind of some questions will be there. You have to be cleverly like spend 30 seconds maximum on it, see whether it is solvable. Else if it's not, just leave it. If your ego is there that I want to solve it, what if my other person did it? Don't do that. Okay, in the exam hall, these kind of questions, you know it, you do it, else leave it. Okay, this year, the next year also I'm sure questions will be there. There's 1 pair, 2 pair, but not that many questions. This year I think 40 plus questions were 1 pair, 2 pair, because there's a problem with this type. Okay, there's a problem that if suppose my answer was that I think that the Dhyan Chand is correct and Arjuna Award is correct. My answer is what? My answer is only 2 pair. Okay, I don't know which 2. I'm telling the first 2. But my other person sitting next to me, he thinks that 2 are wrong. Dronacharya is correct and the Rashtriya KL is correct. So for him, 3 and 4 is the correct one. Still he will mark what? Only 2. So he also got 2 marks, he being a fool. I got 2 marks because I am also a fool. Both are wrong. Okay, answer is 1 and I think 3 will be correct. Okay, Dronacharya will be a coach, and this will be 4 years. Yeah, 4 years. Spectacular. If you see the first one and second one, right, the Dhyan Chand Award and Arjuna Award are both kind of same only. One is the highest award where like last 4 years, spectacular, outstanding performance. Arjuna Award is like the good performance in the second ranking, second best performance of the last 4 years. So this lifetime achievement is wrong. Okay, so 2 is wrong. And then Rashtriya Khel Protsahan is not for this retirement and all. It is for everybody who any bodies or organizations, anybody who promotes sports and all, they will get these awards. So it's a different category, a new kind of award. So 2 is wrong, 4 is wrong, 1 and 3 is the correct one. And ideally you should mark only 2 only. Okay, but whether you did it on purpose or whether by mistake it happened, both of you will get the marks. So this disadvantage, hopefully in the next year, they will reduce the number of questions. They should ask these kind of questions also, maybe put 10 questions out of the 100. But 47, 50 questions and all, if you ask in this range, many fools are the ones who will write this year's mains. Okay, I'm not insulting anyone. There will be some people who were talented, but many who didn't deserve. Okay, just by luck work, they are going to write mains next month, September month, they are going to write mains. So that's a very sad thing. Okay, you can argue how much ever you want. I have been analyzing the question paper last 15-20 years. I know this thing. Okay, whatever is being happening through this mode is completely wrong. The deserving candidates, many are getting out, and undeserving candidates are getting in due to this format of question. Okay, which hopefully will reduce. So now going to this, okay, why I did this also, because today is National Sports Day. Okay, National Sports Day is in the birth anniversary, the memory of birth anniversary of this hockey person, Dhyan Chand, who is the wizard of hockey and greatest hockey player of all time. Those days, okay, we got the gold medal, and then it took many years for us to again win a medal in Olympics. Okay, so that is why he is like the legend. Okay, you would have seen in movies, Chak De movie and all, I think his statue is shown. So National Sports Day is today, and that is why I showed you that question. And also today is Telugu National Day. Okay, there will be language like Tamil Day, Telugu Day, and also Telugu is also one of the classical languages. Okay, you should know that classical languages are there are not too many. Okay, few only, like the 4 South Indian languages are there, and then I think Odia language is there, Sanskrit will be there, 6 are there in my memory. I think 6 are there. So classical language is a special category of recognition which you get because of your like thousands of years of history, and that much years of documentation is available. Okay, just being available is not enough. You have to prove that it is available. So these South 4 states already got it. I think first was Sanskrit or Tamil, one of them got it, and then recent was Odia language. Okay. So Telugu Language Day is August 29. It is also called Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam. Okay. Then International Day Against Nuclear Test. Okay. since 2009. And this interesting thing is that is the day when actually Russia tested their first nuclear bomb. So don't know whether the United Nations and USA not planned and purposely put it on that day, but that is what it is. Okay, 2009 only they did it. Russia did it long back. Russia did it on that exact date long back. That's also written here. 1949 August 29, Soviets successfully tested their first nuclear device called RDS-1 or the first lightning, which USA codenamed it as Joe-1. Okay. So that some terms and all in their exam point of view, it will be important. For Indians, I don't think so, but still a GK fact. Then if you see the first Afghan person went to this outer space through Russia's vehicle. So that was in 1988 August 29. He was a Air Force person and he went to the space. And then 1831 Michael Faraday, you will be knowing, he discovered this electromagnetic induction, which if you are studying physics and all, everybody will know the induction ring experiment and all is there. That related, he did the discovery of that electromagnetic induction current passing thing on this date, August 29, 1831. Okay. Then World War I, we will always see in pictures everywhere that men are participating, but actually women also participated. So the first Women's Defense Relief Corps, that was established in the World War I. After 1 month of the war started, it was established in Britain. Okay. On this date, August 29, 1914. Then it is the King of Pop, Michael Jackson's birth anniversary. 1958 he was born, and 2009, unfortunately, he passed away at a young age, not very old age. So it was a sudden shock for the entire world, because he is one of the most influential persons also. Like when you go somewhere, the number of fans who comes to meet you or the tickets getting sold out. Anyway, if you see, he is the number one in the world. Even now, I think nobody can cross his numbers, which fans are there, following is there. So it's his birth anniversary. Okay, so these are the important things which happened today. And keep learning and practicing. As I told you, have to make yourself ready for questions which can be shock in the exam hall. Next year also it will happen. I'm sure UPSC will do that to you. So practice as much as you can. Current affairs, if you want, all the things will be covered in our PDFs, which you can see individual packs here and combo packs also. WhatsApp me and get this, because the offers are ending. Okay, offers are ending, and after that we will not be able to provide you. Okay, we'll give you the packs, but at a higher price. So please WhatsApp immediately, and then special gifts are coming. We are announcing on Gandhi Jayanti. Wait for that. And then again the batch 2 test series also August 31 we'll wind it up. Okay, no more batch 2 after that. So please enroll to that and go and watch the editorial. I've already put out the editorial video. Today's is also very interesting and important for your GS2, GS3 and also ethics paper. Many things are there which is covered here. Please watch this episode. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.